Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking to easily change the look of your bathroom? This beautiful piece of art behind me is a new shower curtain, and I am so impressed with how it completely transformed this bathroom. It has a beautiful hang. The quality of the fabric is undeniable. So simple, you just place up a shower curtain and suddenly you have a work of art, a completely different looking room. The colors are so rich, and I love the fact that I don't need a liner with this shower curtain. It's beautiful, simple, and I just completely changed the look of this room. It also includes shower curtain rings if you want to use those, which is super convenient, especially if you want to give this as a gift. What a great housewarming gift this would make. It has everything you need, and the colors are phenomenal. You are not going to be sorry when you purchase this shower curtain, and that is my point of view.